Meet Rocky, our 18-year-old Tonkinese cat. He was obsessed with watching this injured deer come to receive some energy healings daily from me for about a week. And after watching Rocky obsess with him for a while, I decided to trust that if I let him outside, all would be well. And look at them getting along, checking each other out, and testing the waters. I feel like they did an amazing job, and really such a beautiful friendship that unfolded between them. Thank you so much for taking time to watch Rocky and his friend.